Oh, mama. Oh, baby. So who do we have here? Here's the Mr. KB.
Hello.
The President KB, the President of Meats, the King of the Grill.
It's a blessing, Giannis. Let us do this. It's a blessing, Giannis. Let us do this on Friday.
So what
we still working.
we're working and we're cooking. This
Yes.
is like the best day ever. Look at
Yes.
that. Oh my. Oh my. Dude. So tell us not all the secrets of your recipe, but give us a couple hints. What makes your the marinade or the rub so special? Just pull back a little bit.
I will.
What
Tony's seasoning.
Tony seasoning? Okay.
Tony's seasoning is the best. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you people know that already. Get the Creole on Tony. You cannot go wrong. It's actually good for people that can't eat a lot of salt.
Okay.
Tony's Creole is the best.
Yeah. So how long do you marinate these bad boys for?
A day.
A day. Nice.
One
Nice.
day to let
And what
everything
about
sit.
wings? Do you have special seasoning for wings, or is it the same?
Same. It's
Yeah.
the same for the wings, and you don't gotta marinate wings because they take a liquid marination for wings. If you just want to just rub them, just rub them and season them real good with Tony's. Put them on there. You can barbecue them, or you can just. A lot of people like them just how they taste on the grill. They don't want barbecue sauce or anything.
Yeah. Wow.
But just with a little Tony's, you cannot go wrong. Whatever idea you have in your mind as far as what you can add to that, then it's just gonna make it even better. But
That's
Creole's Tony,
Man,
I got
look
it by
at
the gallon. That's all I use.
And what can you say about Brent's vegan burgers?
Well,
Let's
Brent got a special diet going on, so we're gonna make them taste just like he was eating
Yeah.
a regular burger off of this grill right here. Of course, you can tell how it's smoking where it is. Anybody that know about this food, y'all know what y'all see. Look at them wings.
Well, KB, we're so grateful of you cooking it all for us.
And I'm so grateful that you let us do it.
Man, this is amazing, man. This is amazing.
Not everybody is doing that.
Oh, thank you, brother. I'll post some pictures of this deliciousness when it's ready, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, peace out. Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. Thank you.